What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything, and y'all already know who I am. I am your cook, Spinelli. Today, I just want to thank you guys for helping me reach 500 subscribers. Right now, I know I'm a little bit over 500 subscribers. I wanted to make this video once I hit it, but once I hit 500, it just kept going. So I finally took some time out to go ahead and make this video. Guys, this is really an important milestone to me. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but to me, that's a lot of people. Let me tell you, I don't even think I got 5 friends. So to have 500 people or over 500 people support your channel is just a great milestone for me. And I really appreciate all my day one subscribers who stuck with me from the beginning and saw my journey. Guys, I really appreciate that. And you guys know who you are. And all my new subscribers just as well. I'm happy to have you guys here. Listen, what we do on this channel, we make good wing recipes. That's what it's about. Good food, good recipes. And I'm glad you guys really take a liking to my channel. So what I'm gonna do, since I hit this 500 subscriber mark, I'm gonna give away what I call my wing starter kit to my lucky subscriber. Now, this includes a pan with the grates, a pair of tongs, and a basting brush for you to get started making these recipes. The way you win this is I want you to comment below this video with your favorite recipe that I've made up until this point. All you gotta do is comment your favorite recipe and also be subscribed to my channel. The week of me posting this video, I will choose that lucky winner. So again, guys, I appreciate your support. You just don't know how much it means to me. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.